Hello, dear friends, welcome to Math with Amala. Let's explore the grade 11 maths along with me by following this channel in order to get enriched in both content and score. Let's get started to the chapter number 1 sets. I have divided the chapter into 13 parts. First part is Introduction to Sets and their representations. Example number 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 1.1 Empty, finite, infinite, and equal sets. Example number 6 and 7. Exercise 1.2. Subset. Example number 9, 10, 11. Universal set. Exercise 1.3. Venn diagrams operations with union, intersection, and difference. Example number 12 to 19. Exercise 1.4. Complement properties of complement. Example number 20 to 22. Exercise 1.5. Now let's move to each points one by one. I will explain all the concepts. I will be moving to the exercise problems also. You just study the concept first, then try the answers yourself after the video. So the concept of set was introduced by George Cantor. He was a German mathematician. And the first and most important thing about set is its definition. Let's start with the definition. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Here we can say that a set can be defined as a well-defined, which means if you have some things like any unordered things, you can make them arranged, we can make them ordered and identify them one by one. You can follow which will be the next in that series. I have taken some examples of fruits, apple, orange, grape and mango, and we have to arrange them in the alphabetical order. Then you will get a well-defined set or well-defined collection of objects. What are the objects here? These fruits. Now we are given an order here, that is alphabetical order. You can give any numbers or any other things in the ascending order or in the descending order or some particular orders, which means you can give them a particular order in order to identify them, in order to take them from a group, in order to put them in a group. You can use these methods. So this kind of thing is called a set. So collection of fruits in the alphabetical order, you can give it like apple or grape, mango and orange. Okay. Let's move to the numbers. What are n? N is natural number set 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. to infinity it will include. Z includes 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 minus infinity to plus infinity. Q includes the rationals of the form P by Q. Z plus is positive integers. Q plus is positive rationals. R is real numbers. R plus is positive real numbers. So we can clearly say here a well-defined collection of objects is called a set. Here N, Z, Q all are called sets and it can be denoted by any capital numbers, capital letters. You can denote it here by N, Z, Q, Z plus, Q plus, R, R plus, etc. And the elements of these sets are actually denoted by the small letters A, B, C. You can use any P, Q, R, S. You can use any kind of small letters. Here the elements are also named in another ways. You can call them like objects or members. In the definition we have used the term objects and they can also be called like elements and members. Now the sets can be represented in two different methods. Two methods of set representation. First method is roster method or the tabular method. This is the normal method that we use. Then the second method is set builder form. First one is roster or tabular form. Second one is set builder form. Here the second one says the name as the definition. Set is built over there. Through the wordings you can build a set. Okay, let us take example of 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Clearly they are from the whole number set. They are given with two brackets at the beginning and at the end, and they are separated by commas, and only three dots are denoted there in order to indicate the infinity or infiniteness. Next, move to the set builder form. You will have a set of x. We are taking the x, and x, each x is a natural number. So what will be that set? It will be 1 2 3 4 etc. without 0. Okay, let us take an example in general. Set of all a such that a is an odd number less than 10. So this is the set builder form. What will be its roster or tabular form? Set of all 1 3 5 7 9, isn't it? Because we need the odd numbers less than 10. Okay, 9 7 5 3 1. The set builder form can be read like this: set of all a such that with colon a is an odd number less than 10. This form is read in the roster form also. This is the introduction to sets and its representation. Thank you all for watching the video. Please be stay tuned for part 2.